TV18 exclusive. Then Axis Bank wants to acquire an additional stake in Axis Max Life. Yash, who's broken the story, is joining in with more details on this. Yash, tell us more.
Well, let's just start with where Axis Bank stands as far as Axis Max Life Insurance is concerned. Axis Bank owns about 19.02% stake in Axis Max Life Insurance. They already have an approval to acquire another nearly 1% stake. This will take their holdings to about 19.99%. Approximately 20%. What we've been given to understand is that Axis Bank wants to acquire an additional 10% stake beyond this 20% stake, which they already have the permission to acquire, and out of which 19% is what they already own. What we've been given to understand is that the thinking originally was also to acquire about 30% stake and be a promoter entity to Axis Max Life Insurance. Back then, RBI gave them the approval to acquire only about 20% stake. And now, very soon is what we've been given to understand from our sources, Axis Bank could reach out to the Reserve Bank of India seeking an approval to acquire an additional 10% stake when it comes to the life insurance subsidiary, that is Axis Max Life Insurance. As I said, what this will do is make Axis Bank the promoter entity for Axis Max Life Insurance. And if you see the large life insurance companies, all of them, the top 5, they have banks as their parent entities or the promoter entities. You speak about ICICI Prudential Life with ICICI Bank, SBI Life with State Bank of India, HDFC Standard Life with of course, HDFC Bank as the promoter entity, and now Axis Bank also, likely to walk on the same road. As far as the timeline is concerned, sources tell us that Axis Bank currently is in the process of settling one of the cases with respect to acquisition of the first 20% stake in Axis Max Life Insurance with SEBI. As soon as that particular case ends, it would look to reach out to the Reserve Bank of India for that acquisition of 10% stake. This is likely to be done through a preferential issue and may get as much as 5,000 crore as far as Axis Max Life Insurance is concerned.
Yes. Absolutely, Yash. A very important, sort of news break out there. We'll have to watch for that counter. The stock is up almost 1.4% in today's trading session. But let's take a very short break for now. More news and updates on the other side, so don't go anywhere.